Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can draw a rectangle in Tradingview. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to Tradingview's website, and from here you just want to log into your account and then select the chart. So I'm just going to open up the S&P 500 here, and here we can now see the chart for S&P 500. So in order to actually draw a rectangle in this chart, what we will have to do is go over to this left hand side where there's all these options, and we just want to look for this paintbrush looking one, and just to the right of it you'll see an arrow, and if you hover over that it does say geometric shapes. So we can click that and then scroll down to shapes down here and then choose rectangle. So from here you just want to drag it from one point all the way down to where you want it to end, and when you're happy you can go ahead and click again and it will now be added. So if we click on it, we can actually customize it. So we can click in this box to change the color of it if we wanted. So if we wanted to change the border, for example, we could click on this box here, and we can change this one to change the fill color. And we can also change the border thickness by going to this one. So that's exactly how you can draw a rectangle in Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.